5 Proven Home Remedies for Anal Fistula, Piles, Blood in Stool, and Anal Fissure. An anal fistula is a small tunnel that develops between the end of the bowel and the skin near the anus, where poo leaves the body. They're usually the result of an infection near the anus causing a collection of pus or abscess in the nearby tissue. When the pus drains away, it can leave a small channel behind. People suffering from constipation are at a higher risk of suffering from this problem, because hard or large stools can tear the lining of the anus. The most common symptoms include itching, followed by a sharp pain, brief or long-lasting, or bleeding when you pass stools. Most people observe bright red blood or pus either in their stool or on the toilet paper. These uncomfortable sensations can be scary. In few severe cases, surgery is a must. But there are a few proven home remedies you can use to cure anal fistula and heal your fissures within a few days to a week. But if they do not heal within a couple of weeks, seek medical attention. Method 1. Turmeric milk, for anal fistula home remedy. Fistula in ano is a bacterial infection, hence to fight those harmful bacteria you need a strong immune system. Turmeric is natural antibiotic and antibacterial. It prevents harmful bacteria replication and improves immune system. Roasted turmeric powder is what I recommend. It will taste better and also have curcumin to support white blood cells. Turmeric is wonderful home remedy for fistula in ano. You need 1 tablespoon roasted turmeric powder, 300 ml skimmed milk, organic raw honey 2 tablespoons. Add turmeric and honey in warm milk and stir it well. Honey will increase the soothing ability of milk and supports the antibacterial property of turmeric. Let it cool down and drink this before going to bed, so that turmeric and honey can show their effects overnight. Method 2. Oregano leaves oil, for anal fistula home treatment. Oregano can be a game changer when it comes to treat anal fistula at home because oregano have antibacterial, antiviral, antibiotic, and anti-inflammatory properties. Consumption of oregano oil can reduce anus swelling and prevent bleeding. Oregano can cure digestive chronic disease, improves immune, reduce diabetes and remove acne. Oregano is another effective and excellent home remedy for anal fistula. You just need good quality oregano leaves oil, lukewarm water, and you are good to cure this bleeding and painful rectum. Add 1 teaspoon of oregano oil in 100 ml of lukewarm water. Stir it well. Drink this 2 times a day, preferably after breakfast and just few minutes before dinner. This will improve immune and kill bacteria around anal region. Method 3. Grapefruit seed extracts, for fistula in ano in babies. Grapefruit seed extract, also known as citrus seed extract, is a liquid extract derived from the seeds, pulp, and white membranes of grapefruit. As babies are delicate, they need extra precautions and care, and let's not stuff things into their little stomach. Grapefruit seed extract can be used as anal fistula ointment. It is also in the list of best natural antibiotics. This external healing ointment can improve the affected area condition. It will support the immune for fast recovery. If your baby is suffering from anal fistula, please consider talking to a doctor first without experimenting any natural remedy. But you can always use grapefruit seed extract as fistula in ano alternative treatment method. Buy pure organic grapefruit seed extract. Take 1 tablespoon and dip a cotton swab in it. Gently apply it as an external ointment over affected area and wash with cold water after 20 minutes. This will sanitize the anal fistula, and as a result fistula in ano recovery time will reduce drastically. Method 4. Soothe the anal fistula pain with cloves. Cloves are good source of antibacterial and antiviral elements. In addition to that, cloves is extremely good at soothing upset stomach and prevent parasite infection in body. Cloves are another excellent home remedy for anal fistula, because it will boost your immune and it will work as natural colon cleanser. You just need crushed cloves or powder of whole cloves and ginger tea. Make a soothing ginger tea for yourself and add half teaspoon of crushed cloves. Stir it well and cover the hot ginger tea with lid. After 5 to 10 minutes, drink this ginger tea powered with cloves to heal fistula in ano. Method 5. Nirgandi oil, Vitex Negundo, natural cure for anal fistula. Anal fistula and anal fissure can be treated using this simple Nirgandi oil. Applying Nirgandi oil over anal fistula will reduce the bacteria formation and also reduces the rectum inflammation. Both the anal condition causes rectal bleeding in infancy and pain in anal region. You only need pure organic Nirgandi oil and cotton swab. Dip cotton swab in Nirgandi oil and apply it directly over anal fistula region. Keep this for 30 minutes and then wash the affected area with clean cold water. Apply this natural remedy 2 to 3 times a day until you completely recover from this painful anus. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.